Good morning, first grade. This is for Group Unstoppable. Can you turn your math books to page 249? Turn your math books to page 249. Now let's look at number one. Number one asks us to write the sums and differences. So make sure you take your time when you're working with number one to make sure it's an addition problem or subtraction problem. Now, as we look at number two, it asks us to write the answer. I wrote two examples on the board to try to help us guide us with number two. So the first problem we work with is 5 plus 3 minus 2. All I do is one step at a time. First step, 5 plus 3. What is that? What is 5 plus 3? Good job. That's 8. Now remember, hold that number 8. Keep that in your mind. Now what is 8 minus 2? What is 8 minus 2? Good job. That is correct. It is 6. So now let's go over here. What is 6 plus 3? What is 6 plus 3? Good job. That is 9. Now, 9 plus 3, what is that? Is that 11? No, that doesn't seem right. That is right. 9 plus 3 is 12. So as you look at number 2, make sure you take your time, one step at a time, working with the equations. As you move on to number 3, all you have to do is simply color the picture. So number 3, color the picture. All right, let's turn over to the next page, page 250. Let's look at number 1 on page 250. All you have to do is simply listen to my directions that I give you for this particular picture. So first, find the sandpipers. Now the sandpipers are the brown birds on the beach. Excuse me. So put your finger on a sandpiper that is 5th from the left. Put your finger on a sandpiper that is 5th from the left. Shade its breast with your pencil. So you're going to shade in that particular sandpiper, the one that is 5th from the left. All right, part 2, there are a few parts. Part 2, find the seagulls. Find the seagulls. Put your finger on a seagull with a fish in its beak. Draw a sun above it. So put your finger on a seagull with a fish in its beak, and you're going to draw a sun above it. Part 3, put your finger on the second seagull. Draw an ocean wave below it. Put your finger on the second seagull. Draw an ocean wave below it. I'll give you a few moments to work on that. Part 4. Put your finger on the sandpiper that is 2nd from the left. Put your finger on the sandpiper that is 2nd from the left. Draw a pail to the right of that sandpiper. Draw a pail to the right of that sandpiper. And part 5, draw a fish in the water between the two seagulls. So for part 5 for the picture, draw a fish in the water between the two seagulls. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2 wants us to write the amount in each box and add the coins. So the first one, we have 2 quarters. Remember, a quarter is worth 25 cents each. So 25 cents, another quarter, that makes 50 cents. So put the 50 cents on this line. And let's go over to the next one. 2 dimes. Remember, counting by 10. So 10, 20. And then you have 2 nickels. You're going to add the total of 2 nickels in this line. And then once you finish having nickels, you're going to add all 3. Okay? You're going to add all 3, and that should give you the total for that one. And number 3 asks us to write the answer like a previous problem that we have worked on before. I'll put the first question up for us for number 3. So we have 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 4. Remember, take it step by step by working on this problem. So 5 plus 3. What's the answer to 5 plus 3? Good job, that is 8. Remember, keep 8 in your head. Now what is 8 plus 2? What is 8 plus 2? Good job. 10. And lastly, what is 10 minus 4? What is 10 minus 4? Good job. That is 6. So your answer for the first question for number 3 is 6. So remember, you're working on number 3. Take your time and go step by step to solve that problem.